Here's how to convert MKV to OGG audio. So I use an app called ConvertSave. It's a drag and drop file converter, so you can just drag however many files you want into it, select the output, and then go down to, we're going to find OGG, that OGG audio, and then hit convert, and it saves right next to where that file came from. So this is an offline file converter for images, video, and audio that I actually created with my brother. He's a software developer. We've put this thing together, and I was just pretty much sick of going to random websites to upload files to who knows where and then download them. And I wanted a quicker way to do these conversions. And so this works completely offline, and it works on desktop for Windows and Mac. And you can just drag, drop, convert, save. It's that simple. Also, there's some output settings in here, so you can go to these advanced options. You can actually create your own custom conversions. So like I could save a specific custom command for this particular conversion if I want to. You see the tool that it uses, you see the commands that we're using as a primary and a secondary, and then also the custom area. And you have an options builder here. So then the options builder, you can actually go through and toggle all these different options on or off and really customize your conversion, and it generates all that code for you that it will send to the tool to do the conversion. And so this actually is contextual, so it changes for images, or if you're going to video, etc. You can do things like add effects, you can resize, crop, you can even change frame rate of video or resolution. So there's a ton of options in here that you can attach to these conversions. And you can even save them as your own custom command that you can just drag, drop, convert, save with your custom commands instead of our default ones, which the default ones are basically like one-to-one file conversions. So it's going to keep perfect quality or the best, highest quality possible that's compatible with the container or file type that you're converting to. That's how you can convert MKV to OGG. If you want to check out ConvertSave, I'll leave a link in the description or the pinned comment. You can also just go to convertsave.com. And that's where we put it, right? Thanks for your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.